Hey everyone! Welcome back to another Internet Guru. Today I'll show you how to use Pay with Credits on CNFANS. First of all, open the CNFANS app on your device. Then sign up for an account. I have already signed up. After that, go to the account section in the right side. Tap on the credit option on your screen. If you have any credit, you will now be able to see your credit balance in this section. Once you see your credit balance, and if you want to redeem it, just tap on the Redeem Product button. From there, it will ask you to enter the product code. So, after copying the product code, paste it into the field and tap the Redeem button. If your credit is enough to purchase the product, you'll be able to continue with the purchase. However, if your credit is not enough, you can use your credit card or any other payment method to complete the remaining payment for the product you want to buy. That's it, guys. That's how you use credit on CNFANS. Thanks for watching another Internet Guru. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a daily drop.